Police in Alabama posted a wanted image of a fugitive that they're looking for. Well, he's not necessarily fugitive, but he did run away from cops, and that's the reason why they're looking for him. He's a 31-year-old by the name of Roderick Hill. And it's not uncommon for police to share images of people that they're looking for on social media sites these days, but it is certainly unusual for the suspect to go ahead and comment on the post, and that's what Roderick Hill did. He commented, "What the fuck? Man, y'all doing too much. It's murderers out here, and y'all worried about little old me? Wow, sad." So,
Roderick, you're not supposed to comment when they're looking for you. That'll help them find you. So, I mean, you saved that speech about how you were outraged maybe after they catch you, but
Okay, first let me tell you what they're looking for. Apparently, he was supposed to be stopped for a traffic violation. He didn't stop, he kept going. That's why cops are looking for him. He has a record, but the record is for non-violent offenses, okay? So am I worried about Roderick Hill roaming the streets? Not really, okay? Do I want him to get caught? Sure. I mean, he shouldn't break the law, he should get caught. But with that said, I love the balls on this guy. Like, I love the fact that he commented, and then to make matters a little more interesting, people commented back to him. So let's take a quick look at that. One person writes, "Priceless, laughing my ass off, the king troll." And then he responds to some of those comments. "I ran from them. I've never been caught or charged with a gun, never robbed. So how is it fair to label me armed over a traffic offense?"
Okay, so that's the argument you make in court. Before you're basically turning yourself when you do this. They can just click on your name and find out all your information.
Yeah.
Knucklehead. He says, "I've never been caught." Roderick, there's a good chance that that's going to change soon.
Yep. It's kind of shocking that you've never been caught.
Allie Smart at the end did write a comment. "LMAO, you ain't supposed to respond, Roderick. Lord, take the wheel."